Meguiar's DA Microfiber Correction System 5-inch starter kit is designed to remove moderate paint defects in OEM paint, enhance gloss and shine, and protect in just 2 easy steps. This kit includes a 5-inch DA backing plate that's ideal to use with Meguiar's MT300 dual-action polisher. Use the cutting discs with the correction compound to safely remove moderate defects, then follow with the finishing discs and finishing wax to further refine the paint and provide wax protection. A Meguiar shop apron is included to keep you clean while you work. This convenient starter kit includes everything you need to correct your vehicle's paint and keep it looking like new again.